Hi guys, this is TechGuy007. I hope you're doing great. So today I've come up with a solution for your S Pen on your Note 9 that's not working to take selfies. So we're just specifically gonna focus on taking photos or bringing up the photo app or the video app. Alright, so basically usually with your Note 9 with the S Pen, what you could do is obviously remove it from its place and try to open the camera app. So if you long press, it should open the camera, but in this case it's not. And so if you just even go onto the camera and try to take a picture, and so usually you just press on this button and then it should have taken a picture. So if you press, not doing anything, press, not doing anything. All right, so the first step that you can take actually is to put it back in its place. If it's not working, leave it there for like a minute. It should charge it to 100% and it should work. Otherwise, if it doesn't, I've got another solution for you guys, and you're gonna thank me big time for this. Alright, so, but before that, I thought I should just share with you guys my new channel. So if you go onto YouTube, it's called Cooking Time and Natural Remedies. Alright, so this is a really nice channel because it shows you a lot of different natural remedies that can cure any illness that you've got, and also some nice cooking videos. Alright, so as you can see, it's called Cooking Time and Natural Remedies, as I said before. So if you go to videos, I've got so many videos in here already for you guys to watch, and I hope it will help you in any way possible. Alright, so let's go back to the main video point of the main video. What? Anyway, alright, so if you already tried putting it back in and it's not working, the S Pen, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to fix it some other way. Right, so you come to the top of the screen, you drag down the page, you see this span here, the circle span, you just press on the span and you should get this page. Alright, so you have got a search bar in here, so you want to write in here S, right, let me just zoom out, S Pen. Alright, so the first thing that you see is called S Pen, Manage S Pen Features. Oh, I can't see it. So yeah, here we go, S Pen, Manage S Pen Features. So you press on that, and then the first thing you should get is S Pen Remotely Control App with your S Pen. Alright, so you press on that. Alright, and here you can see that this page says off, which is usually meant to be on. I didn't turn it off, it just turned off on its own originally when my S Pen wasn't working today. So I just played with my phone a little bit and I thought I should find a solution. Definitely it's hidden somewhere, I have to find it. So then I thought I should make a video about it and share you guys, and hope this will help you guys too. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to just press that on. It says disconnected, but it'll say connected, and let's say 100%. Yeah, okay, so now let's go back. Let's try this again. Alright, so I'll remove it. Okay, so long press. Woohoo, it's brought it, and let's take a picture. Yeah, it's taking a picture. I'll just show you. Alright, that's it then. That's the main solution that you can get for this. Right, so I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and don't forget to visit my second channel, which is Cooking Time and Natural Remedies. I will have the link in the description below. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye bye.